Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Buster Murdaugh, the only surviving son of the Murdaugh family. After all the tragedy and scandals that have surrounded his family, many people are asking one thing: where is Buster Murdaugh now? Buster, whose full name is Richard Alexander Murdaugh Jr., is the eldest son of Alex and Maggie Murdaugh. His younger brother Paul and his mother Maggie were murdered in 2021, crimes for which his father Alex was convicted in 2023. During the trial, Buster testified in support of his father and remained one of his closest defenders even as the evidence mounted against him. For Buster, the last few years have been marked by grief, public scrutiny, and a life that has been turned completely upside down. Since the murders and the trial, Buster has been forced into the public eye. He faced intense media attention, especially as rumors swirled about his connection to the death of his former classmate Stephen Smith. Buster has firmly denied any involvement and has even filed a defamation lawsuit against Netflix and other outlets that linked him to the case through their documentaries. He was also named in lawsuits tied to the 2019 boating accident involving his younger brother Paul, but those cases have since been settled. Despite the noise around him, Buster has tried to keep his life as private as possible, though it has not been easy. Where is Buster Murdaugh now? As of now, Buster is living in Bluffton, South Carolina, with his longtime girlfriend turned wife, Brooklyn White. The couple got married in May 2025 in Beaufort, South Carolina, in a ceremony that drew attention but was kept relatively private. He continues to stay out of the public spotlight and has not returned to law school after being expelled several years ago. There are no clear reports of his professional career at this time, suggesting he may still be living quietly, away from the chaos that engulfed his family. Buster Murdaugh has lived through events most people could never imagine, from the violent deaths of his mother and brother to watching his father convicted of murder. Today, he seems to be focusing on building a private life with his wife, though the shadow of his family's past continues to follow him. Whether he will ever fully escape the Murdaugh legacy is something only time will tell.